Hey guys, it's Max from Artech here, and today I'm going to give you guys a brief overview about how to get set up for our Playcanvas workshop this summer. To start, first look over all the requirements for the workshop. If you aren't sure how to set up a Zoom account, you could check out some other videos we've released covering how to install Zoom onto your computer. As for the other programs we need to set up, as the name implies, you'll need to get set up with a Playcanvas account to fully participate in this workshop. Playcanvas is a web-based program, so nothing has to be downloaded to get started with it. A link to the Playcanvas website can also be found in the requirements section as well. Once the website is loaded, simply click the sign up button in the top right corner of the screen to create your own account. This shouldn't take too long. The main requirements are simply a username, an email account, and a password. Once you finish setting up your account, congratulations! You're all set to go for our Playcanvas workshop. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and hopefully we'll be seeing you soon. I've been Max from Artech, and thanks for watching.